The secret of smart locking is to combine the physical strength and security of mechanical locks while controlling them from electronic smart media instead of traditional keys. Smart locking, app-based software, puts you in control over who has access to your property. Lost, stolen or mislaid keys are easily deleted, preventing any unauthorized access. Restricted levels of timed access is easily programmed via this software, and a full audit trail of the locking events is available from the lock if required. At MD Lock & Key, we have partnered with many of the industry-leading smart locking manufacturers, and we work closely with our clients to ensure that our recommendations will fulfill their exact requirements. Why not call us or visit our showrooms in the Arguigue Business Park in Clonmel, County Tipperary to see what we can do for you.